Okay, so anyone out there that has problems with dark circles, under eye bags, concealer, this video is for you. I'm about to change your life. These 3 products are game changers, and I'm going to show you how to use them right now. Dual Action Concealer. I use light medium. That's the most popular, most diverse color. And Bright Eye Setting Powder after with the Duo Fiber Concealer Brush. This is how you use them. Before foundation, squirt a little bit of the concealer on the brush. That's how I like to do it. Just a little dot, a little bit goes a long way. I think like 3 or 4 kind of taps on each side is good. The reason that this brush is so important is because it buffs the concealer into the skin. So it's super soft and flawless and not cakey, which helps with it not sinking into fine lines and staying soft throughout the day. Now this is a 3-step process, 4-step process. So the concealer actually goes on twice. This is number 1. I like to do a little bit and then just keep adding and almost go right over my cheekbone. Once you feel like you have the coverage that you want, then you're gonna do your foundation, which I'm gonna fast forward through right now. Okay, so once you have your foundation done, here's my little trick. This is the secret. You have to add concealer again. So do another little dot on the brush, and then instead of putting it all under your eyes, blend it into your cheekbone. And this is what gives you kind of that natural highlight and really makes you look bright and concealed. Did you see how before it kind of almost looked like I had raccoon eyes? Like I had little white circles under my eyes? This is how to avoid that and to get that kind of flawless makeup artist-y look. See how much of a difference that makes? Changes everything. Okay. Most important step, game changer, Bright Eye Setting Powder. This is a translucent powder to set your concealer. This is what's gonna keep it from creasing all day long and from your mascara smearing, from your eyeshadow smearing. It's gonna give you that flawless look without being cakey. It works on every skin color. I'm not just saying that or exaggerating. This is the large stone brush. You just pack it underneath your eye and bring it up under your cheekbone. It's amazing. It will literally change your life. See the difference? It's the perfect consistency. I can honestly say I don't think we've ever had one of these returned that I can think of. That's how much people love them. And then you set the rest of your face with your normal color powder, bronzer, blush, the rest, and you're ready to go. Hope this video helped you guys. Let me know if you have any questions and what you want to see next.